just one match away to find out our second finalist alongside Kolkata Knight Riders. The Rajasthan Royals ended Royal Challengers Bengaluru's 6-match winning streak. Yet another disappointment there for Kohli and the RCB fans.
That's right. Virat Kohli's wait for the IPL title continues as an all-round show from Rajasthan proved just too much for Bengaluru. So Ramya Kaushik brings you all of the updates. Take a look. Royal Challengers Bengaluru's winning run has come to an end and the murmurs of Isala Katnamde have been faded away. Well, this time around as well, RCB fans will have to go away with that heavy heart. Obviously, the RCB fans came up in huge numbers in boiling Ahmedabad Stadium to see their favourite team RCB because the remarkable comeback that RCB made, everybody had that hope in their heart that RCB might go to the finale stage. But unfortunately, this time around, Rajasthan Royals have ended all those hopes. Rajasthan Royals won the match by 4 wickets. Now, cricket is a funny game, isn't it? Rajasthan Royals, the team that didn't win even a single match in the month of May, aced the show when it mattered the most. Rajasthan Royals lost 4 matches on the trot and the last match was abandoned due to rain. But this time around in Ahmedabad, in eliminator match, they came up with a balanced show. First of all, they won the toss and they opted to bowl first. RCB had a decent start, especially with Virat Kohli. But when the power play ended, Yuzvendra Chahal came in and he sent back Virat Kohli. Things went downhill from that side. Now, for the 4th time in IPL 2024, Glenn Maxwell went back on a duck. And to actually keep things at a regular pace, Mahipal Lomror and Rajat Patidar came up and they played knocks off around 30 runs. But that wasn't enough. However, it helped RCB to reach that 170 plus mark. To be precise, they made 172 runs. Now, chasing a subpar total, Rajasthan Royals also started off very well. But that Sanju Samson's needless stumping and that terrific run out from Virat Kohli changed the course of the match and it added some spice to the match. Things became interesting over there. But there was Riyan Parag. Now, he has had an electric run throughout the season and Riyan Parag for one more time stood up tall and came up for Rajasthan Royals. He played some amazing shots and there was Shimron Hetmyer as well. Unfortunately, both didn't stay the course. But when the time came for a runner ball, when Rajasthan Royals really needed to pull off things in just an over or so, Ramanpal came in. He played those 2 fours and then a 6 and took Rajasthan Royals to that winning line and helped Rajasthan Royals to reach to qualifier 2. Now, a lot of credit also goes to Ravichandran Ashwin for the way he bowled in the first innings. He gave away only 19 runs and took 2 crucial wickets, one of Cameron Green and one of Glenn Maxwell, and for that he became the match winner, the player of the match. But now Rajasthan Royals have a tough task. They'll have to face the Orange Army in Chennai. So it's going to be Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals in qualifier 2 in Chennai. But Sunrisers Hyderabad won't make it easy for Rajasthan Royals. The Royals slipped from the number 1 position to the 3rd and they had to fight in that eliminator round. Now it's one more time for Rajasthan to show why they were at the topmost position at the start of the IPL. It's going to be a tough show, but it's going to be an interesting one. Also, this side of us really wants to congratulate Dinesh Karthik for what he has given to the game. The game against Rajasthan Royals was his last game in international cricket, as he had earlier announced that this IPL will be his last. So the veteran deserves all the applause and all the praises. Obviously, he thanked the Ahmedabad crowd as well for cheering his name throughout the match. But thanks a lot, Dinesh Karthik, for your services in the game. Hoping to see you more behind the mic. But right now, what matters is SRH versus RR in IPL 2024 Qualifier 2. That's gonna happen in a day's time in Chennai.